Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this week's video, I have a guest. Introduce yourself.
Hi, so I'm Janice and I'm now studying medicine, and I watched Nicole's last video about makeup. About makeup what story?
Yeah, beauty
Makeup
story.
Oh yeah, beauty story. Do you want my honest opinion?
Just say it.
Actually, I think it doesn't look any different.
No, everyone say it doesn't look different.
It's like
me as well.
you're not-
So in this video, she's going to try to make up me, right?
Yeah.
In a theme of spring, yeah.
Yes.
Spring makeup. And I hope it works. I hope there's a difference.
Well, I'm not really a makeup artist, nor do I go for makeup classes, but I learn makeup by myself. So I will put one rule for this video. When I put on makeup, you're not allowed to complain
Okay.
or comment until it's finished.
Okay, let's start.
Yeah.
Okay, as usual, of course, she ties her hair and washes her face already.
Yeah, I cleaned my face.
Yeah. I'm not bringing my foundation because I'm afraid it doesn't suit her skin. So I'm just gonna use her foundation.
The one I used in the last video.
Yeah, the one she used in the last video.
So I'm going to open my glasses. I know it look weird, but just
No, it doesn't. Just
stay with me, okay?
check it out.
Stay with me.
How you do?
Yeah. Come on, here we go.
This is the Everene's concealer kit. I don't know if it's focused or not. Yeah.
Is it focused?
Yeah, it's focused. Yeah.
Just have to focus by on us.
Okay, this I will put the concealer for under her eye bag. On her eye bag, so that to erase some black eye. Yeah, so that the eyes are right.
By the way, guys, I cannot, I don't know how it looks now.
You know where it's at.
Yeah, I think I'm just going to do this until the end of the video.
Yeah, you should.
So I'm shocked with
So
the
you'll be
results.
surprised.
Yeah.
Yay! Now, since I'm gonna do a little bit of contouring, but actually I don't know how to contour, but I usually contour my nose only, so that looks sharper. But since I don't have a contour kit, I usually use eyeshadow. The eyeshadow palette that I use is from Sakura. We care your
Is it-
flavors. Yeah, it's focusing.
Okay.
It's the 18 shadow palette, number 2 neutrals. Yeah. I'm gonna use like
Brush.
a brush. I just bought this from supermarket actually. Seriously. But it's legit. Like it's really nice.
Okay.
Just buy cheap eyeshadow. Eye brush. I
color?
usually use like a very light brown. This is tumbleweed, I think. Yeah.
Is it focusing?
Yeah. Actually, this is it for the contouring because I don't really do much contouring actually. Okay, so I'm gonna move to the eyebrows because the eyebrows are very important.
For your information, I cannot do my eyebrows, so usually if I do my makeup, the eyebrows will be just like
None.
blank.
Not
Blank. So it's just like this. I can't see anything now, but like this, it's nothing changes.
Yeah.
But she's going to change it today.
So since you have brown hair, I'm gonna use brown
Okay.
brown pencil.
I
Eyebrow pencil. I do not know where this is from. This is also from my mom. My mom gave it to me, so I just use it. Yeah, I usually use black.
sunny afternoon. Yeah.
Okay, now we're gonna put the eyeshadow finally. Yeah, so we're back to using the Focalier's palette.
Focusing.
Yeah, it's focusing. For spring colors, I like to use white, pink, orange, beige colors, and it's actually my everyday colors too. So for the base, I'm gonna use beige, this color, salmon. Yeah, it's kind of orange beige-ish. I like to use this as for base. So something just happened because one of the colors actually broke. It fell down to the other color. Like that. Okay. Now we're gonna apply the salmon. Oh wait! Before that, I actually forgot the very important part before applying eye makeup is eye primer. I use NYX eyeshadow base and it makes the color more vivid, the color of eyeshadow. I usually apply it with my finger, just a little bit would do. Now finally back to the eyeshadow, salmon. Now next color I'm gonna use like this is where is it? Oh, chill. It's called chill. It's actually like pink but glittery pink. I'm gonna use Blossom. It's a lighter shade of pink, but also glittery color. I'm also, while I'm using the sparkly white eyeshadow, I'm putting it on the bridge of her nose so that it's more, more highlighted.
My nose is sparkly.
Now eyeliner.
Okay, this is my biggest enemy.
Okay,
I'll trust her.
but it's the most important part actually. At the eyeliner done, I'm going to put on eyelashes.
Seriously?
I'm seriously going to put on fake eyelashes.
Seriously?
I'm serious. I'm serious. I'm serious. You can't say no.
I
Or-
didn't expect that.
You can't say no. I'm going to put on fake eyelashes.
I continue the shock
This is-
face. I continue the shock
This
face.
is actually from Miniso. I
I want
like,
to try
a
the
package
Miniso
of this.
one, so I think
It's nice. It's like it's natural. It's actually natural.
Hey girls, do you know what time it is?
There's okay.
Okay.
Blush on. I'm using from Estee Lauder's pure color brush. Blush petal satin color. Ooh, shiny. Wow. Cool. So I'm gonna use
Lip gloss,
lip
yeah.
gloss. Yeah, it's lip gloss. You don't like lip gloss?
And I told you in the
Yeah.
video, but it's okay.
Oh, there you go. Focus. Okay.
It's done.
We're done.
I cannot see you still. I can see
Okay.
you. Hi.
I wrote this.
I'm scared. But
Looks nice.
oh my god, I look different.
Of course.
Wait, it's. I can feel it's thicker.
How do you feel?
I feel
Is it nice?
yes, like yes, the eyelashes look so natural. But I'm sorry, my hair is bad.
Okay.
I look bad without glasses.
No, yeah, like there.
Okay, fine.
Suits, spring color with your
It's-
sweater too.
Do you feel like it's spring, guys?
Give some sakura petals.
I wish. Oh, I have. Okay, I'm going to show you like here, here, and here. Pardon my hair. So, what do you guys think about the makeup? Of course, it looks way different from the previous one.
Comment below.
Yes, comment down below what you think. Thank you to Janice for doing this and featuring in my video. And also don't forget to check out her YouTube channel, which is right here. Okay, I'll show it here. And I'll link it down below, so make sure to go check it out. Don't forget to go and check it out.
I don't do makeup videos though. I mostly do dance videos, dance covers, so do not expect makeup videos. I don't do makeup videos.
And actually, this is the first time she's done a makeup on someone.
Yeah.
I feel
This
honored.
This is my first time doing makeup.
I feel honored, guys.
Sorry, it takes kind of a while.
It's okay. Wow! 1 hour!
Let's video! I have to explain, so it's not as fast as usual. I usually take 15 minutes to do this.
But it's okay, guys. It's her first time to do a makeup on someone. We must not criticize. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. And I think that's it for this video, right? Thank you to my lovely choral leader.
Spring is here!
Yay! Sakura, Sakura.
Spring!
What the heck? So guys, I think that's it for this week's video. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to check out her YouTube channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!
Bye!
다른 색깔의 new walls 깊이 빠져드는 new world
tonight